Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a Hyundai Accent. Begin by raising the front of the car safely and placing wheel chocks behind the rear tires. Put on gloves and eye protection, then position a drain pan under the oil pan. Loosen the drain plug before removing the oil filler cap to speed draining and prevent vacuum lock. Keep tools nearby and take your time for a clean job. With oil flowing into the pan, monitor the drain until the stream slows to a drip, allowing the engine to empty fully. While waiting, remove the old oil filter and let it drain into the pan. Lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug, then give it a small additional turn. Reinstall the cleaned drain plug with the proper torque and fresh washer if needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help you budget for tools and maintenance. It pairs nicely with DIY car care because saving on labor frees funds for parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Slowly add the specified amount of oil through the fill neck, checking the dipstick periodically to avoid overfilling. Start the engine and let it run for about a minute while watching for any leaks under the car. Turn the engine off, wait several minutes for oil to settle, and recheck the level with the dipstick, adding small amounts until it reaches the full mark. Dispose of used oil responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.